Has there ever been a moment when you felt like you were trapped in an unstoppable spiral of negative thoughts? This is a familiar maze, a mental snare that can feel as real and overpowering as quicksand. But take a deep breath, for there is a beacon of hope in your predicament. You are not alone in this struggle. More than that, you are a powerhouse of positivity and strength, capable of turning the tide. Remember, within you resides the might to break free from such intimidating negativity. The human spirit is a marvel. It's forged in the fire of adversity. It's a testament to our innate ability to triumph against the odds. It's about the courage to confront our fears, the tenacity to persist despite setbacks, and the power to bounce back stronger. Believe in your strength, channel it, and you will navigate your way out of this storm. Remember, the key to transformation rests in your hands. You are on a journey, and every step, no matter how small, is a leap towards change and growth. In your life, you are both the playwright and the protagonist. So grab the pen and rewrite your story. After all, you are not what happened to you, you are what you choose to become. Imagine negative thinking as a sneaky little gnome living in your head, constantly whispering discouraging words into your ear. He's a crafty one, that gnome, but we've got a strategy to outsmart him. The first step in breaking the negative thinking loop is to recognize it. It's like a noisy party in your head that you didn't invite, but it's happening anyway. The music is loud, the guests are unruly, and you're just trying to get some peace and quiet. So the first order of business is to acknowledge the party. That's right, say, "Hello, uninvited thoughts, I see you." Once you've recognized the negativity, it's time to move on to the second step, understanding it. Picture yourself as a detective, scrutinizing the gnome's whispers. Ask yourself, why is he saying that? What's his motive? Understanding your negative thoughts will help to demystify them and take away their power. Now, on to the third step. Challenge the negativity. This is where you turn the tables on the gnome. Question his whispers. Are they based on facts or just his mischievous imagination? Remember, he's just a gnome, and gnomes have been known to get things wrong. The fourth step is to replace your negative thoughts. This is where you introduce a new guest to the party in your head. Positive Rose. She's vibrant, uplifting, and always sees the glass as half full. Listen to her. Let her words drown out the gnome's whispers. Finally, the fifth step. Practice mindfulness. Think of mindfulness as a bouncer at the party, keeping out the rowdy guests and ensuring only the good vibes get in. It's about being present, focusing on the here and now, and not letting the gnome's whispers of past failures or future worries distract you. So there you have it, 5 steps to break the negative thinking loop. Recognize, understand, challenge, replace, and practice mindfulness. It's not a magic formula, but rather a strategy, a way to maneuver through the web of your thoughts. Remember, it's like dealing with a tricky gnome. Recognize his presence, understand his whispers, challenge his words, replace them with positive Patty's uplifting messages, and let the bouncer of mindfulness keep the party in check. And who knows, with practice and persistence, you might just turn that gnome into a loyal ally, or better yet, evict him from your head altogether. Just remember, it's a journey, and each step you take is a step away from the whirlpool of negativity, a step toward a brighter, more positive perspective. So, don't be discouraged if the gnome manages to sneak back in. Just show him the door and keep moving forward. And always remember to keep a sense of humor about it. After all, we're talking about outsmarting a gnome living in your head. That's got to be worth a chuckle or two, right? Remember, the power to change your thoughts lies within you. You're stronger than the gnome. You're stronger than the negativity. And with these steps, you're well on your way to a more positive, happier, and healthier mindset. And on that note, we wrap up our journey for today. Until next time, keep those gnomes in check and those positive vibes flowing. Please subscribe and hit the like button. Remain motivated.